Say I'm lying. Say I'm lying. Say I'm lying.
Block your leg, bro.
What's up, baby gang? It's your girl Shy Bun, and today, guys, as y'all can see by the title of the video, I'm gonna be pulling a prank on your boy. Just because it's Vlogmas don't mean we can't do no prank, okay? Just because it's Vlogmas don't mean that your girl can't pull a prank on your boy. Now, I'm gonna be pulling the smelling like fish to get boyfriend's reaction video or something like that, however it's worded. Y'all see it on the title. So that's what I'm gonna be doing on your boy. I currently just woke up. Like, I woke up as soon as Javon left. Like, I made sure to wake up before, like, right when he left. He went to take his brother to school, so I got like a small window because Javon drives pretty quickly and his school is not that far, so I have a small window to set up and get this prank started. I got a can of sardines. I got the one in soybean oil. Oh yeah. Hold on, guys. I think that's him texting. Hold on. Okay, that was him, guys. I'm gonna open the can of sardines and I need like a napkin or something. Okay, so I got the napkin here. I'm going to open the can of sardines and I think I should change shirts just so he can smell it a little better. So let me change shirts real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, I switched shirts. So I got one that, like, I'm gonna just put like some sardine, I'm gonna put some sardine juice here and like under my arms and like, I don't know if I'm putting like in between my legs, but not on my cookie, in between like on my thighs, just so it can be like it's fishy down there. Okay, so let's get started. I don't know if y'all saw that, but it's alright if y'all didn't. Okay, so let me go ahead and open it up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to like take the juice from the, let it soak in a napkin, right? Just gonna rub it on me. Ooh. Rub it in the mouth, just like that. Oh gosh, I hope they don't stay. I'm gonna scrub, y'all. As soon as this prank is over, I'm scrubbing, okay? Like, scrubbing. Okay, now let me put some between my legs here a little bit. What y'all think? Y'all think that's good? I feel like that's good enough. No more. Okay. I think that's good. Yeah, that's good.
Guys, I put some of that fart spray on me and oh my gosh, that shit stinks. Okay, like I'm about to die up in here. This nigga need to hurry up. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, Javon is almost here. I forgot to tell y'all, make sure y'all like this video, comment in the comment section, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video. Yeah guys, let's get this prank started. I'm ready to get his reaction. Y'all know Javon is gonna be goofy, so let's, he just pulled up. I think he just pulled up, so we're about to get his reaction on camera. Hi, babe.
What's up?
You took forever in 3 years.
What are you doing?
I'm on the phone. I was waiting for you. You was taking forever.
You was sleeping.
Huh? What you drinking? Why it sound like serious, bro? Was it a lot of traffic?
No, I went by McDonald's because I wanted some cookies, but I didn't get none.
The lines were too long. Lines were too long. You about to get ready to go somewhere? You about to get ready to go somewhere?
Yeah, a little bit. You charge your camera out? You charge the camera out?
Yeah, it was charged last night already.
Oh.
It was already charged.
What's that smell?
Hmm?
What's that smell?
What smell? What smell?
What smell that? Why am I tripping?
You tripping. What it smell like?
You seen the remote? Remote? Oh.
That remote?
Yeah. Bro, what's that smell? What's that smell?
What smell? What smell?
Something don't smell right, bro. What's that smell?
Don't spray that cologne. You know that stuff be messing with me. Don't spray it.
But what's that smell though? Why smell
What
like that?
smell? You sprayed it, didn't you?
Yeah, because I sprayed it when I first walked in because I smelled something. I didn't want to say anything.
Why? Babe, I don't smell nothing. You always be spraying that stuff. That goes on your body, not the air.
There's something don't smell right.
What don't smell right?
Bro, why it smell like fish up in here, bro? What does that smell?
Cause you just came from my side. It smells like cologne to me.
Christmas tree, which has its own Twitter account at 30 Rock Trees. So you've been in this
Bro, you spray something, bro?
tree since the 60s.
spray something?
You spray something. You sprayed your
No,
cologne.
you spray something, I smell something. What's
I
that
didn't
smell?
spray nothing.
I paid that.
That you know that shit is weird, bro.
I'm really excited to hear your interview.
Babe, why you put some milk in them cereals? Why you put some milk in them cereals?
I'm glad I didn't because something smells weird up in here.
You're weird.
I don't know what you did.
I didn't do nothing. Give me Babe.
Whoa.
Okay.
Bro, what does that smell?
What smell?
It smells like raw fish.
I don't smell it.
Your thing smell bad? You need to take a shower?
Your thing smell bad?
My shit don't smell like no fish, bro.
My stuff smell like it always smell.
Like fish?
Like strawberries. Don't try to play me.
Something smells weird up in here.
We don't.
Bro, something smells weird up in here. Something smells weird up in here.
I don't smell nothing.
Nigga, stop playing, bro. That smell.
What smell, Javon Bennett? What
Bro, it
smell?
smells like either sardines, fish, canned beans. What does that smell, bro? It smells like fish, bro. It smells like fish up in here.
You tripping.
And why you was sleeping when I left? You changed your clothes. Something ain't right, bro.
Because I got hot.
The fan ain't even on. The fan ain't even on.
I know. And then I just got up and left. I mean, not left, but I just got up and just washed my face and stuff. I got hot in the middle of the night, baby.
Middle of the night. My nigga, it's down there almost 9 o'clock. The middle of the night was down there 6 hours ago.
I know. That's when I changed. I got hot. And then I got hair on my legs, so my legs started.
Huh?
I got hair on my legs.
What do you think I do with hot?
Because my sweatpants, my tights started sticking to my hair. And so I just had to take them off.
Bro, you spray something. I don't care what you say.
I didn't spray nothing.
You did something. It smells like fish in here, bro. But I don't know what I smell it, but it smells weird. I ain't smell like last night or this morning.
I didn't either. I didn't smell it now.
Open up the window.
Why you always want to open that window?
What you mean? Something.
Because the fly gonna come back
The rules.
in here.
What's flying? There's the mesh right there. Fly in here.
It came in here anyways.
It probably came from somewhere else. You probably producing flies or something.
Shut up. Stupid.
Bro, why y'all smell though?
What smell? Why you looking at me like that?
You take a shower, bro.
You take a shower. You the one smelling it.
Bro, you gonna take a shower, bro?
You take a shower.
Something doesn't smell right, bro. Something doesn't smell right.
What don't smell right? What does smell like, baby?
Something don't smell right.
Come here. Come talk to me.
What?
Come here. Come
I'm
talk
telling
to
you
me.
right now.
I can't hear you.
No, it smells better over here, so I gotta stand over here.
Babe.
Hmm?
I don't smell nothing. It's not me.
Okay, get up over here.
Mhm.
Get up.
Why?
Get up. Get your ass up. Get up. Get up. Hold on. Walk out there for a little bit.
Hmm?
Walk out there for a little bit. Stay right there for like, count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 10.
No, Manisha, go back.
Babe,
Count to 10.
it's dark in there.
Alright. You smell good in here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Walk up in here now. What smell like?
The
Bro, it
same?
smell like fart and fish mixed together, bro. Like, the smell ain't got, it smell like fart.
Babe, I don't know what you're talking about. Get off of me.
Yo, why you smell like that, bro? Bro, you did something, man. You did something. I'm not
What do
stupid.
I smell like?
You did something, bro.
Are you trying to hurt my feelings? You trying to say I stink? I took a shower yesterday.
I'm not stupid. I'm not stupid, bro. You did something, bro. I don't know what you did.
I didn't do
You
anything.
did something. Bro, 1, you was sleeping when I left.
Mm-hmm.
2, the bed wasn't like this. 3,
Babe, first of all, 1.
let me finish. 3, you didn't have this clothes on. 4, I walked in your yard spread out like y'all said a fish I caught.
Babe, first of all, I got up in the middle of the night to go pee because I got hot.
I know that.
I got
I
hot,
know
and
that,
so I changed my clothes.
I know you got the middle of that because I saw you.
Mhm.
When you pulled the shit off of me last night,
Mm-hmm.
I almost smacked the crap out of you. I don't know why. Hey, get going.
Okay, so I had got hot, so I got up in the middle of the night to change my clothes. You woke up this morning, I could not go back to sleep, so I got up and I washed my face. And you know I always make up this bed every time I get out of it. Every time we get out the bed, I make it up. Say I'm lying. Say I'm lying. Say I'm lying.
Lock your legs, bro.
Huh?
Lock your legs on your
Why?
arms. Something in the smell right.
What is you talking about?
Bro, you something wrong. You know it's gonna go get surgery or something in the smell right, bro.
Why are you trying to hurt my feelings for?
I'm not trying to hurt your feelings, but it's just weird. Like, you was sleeping. I was gone for damn near 30 minutes. You was knocked out, bro. You was.
I was not doing all of that.
Yes, it was, bro.
Babe, you tripping. I don't smell nothing in the room.
You like this
You
candle?
always doing stuff. Don't light that candle.
I like this candle, bro.
No, because when you put it out, it's going to smell burnt. And we're going to be
It
leaving.
already smell like burnt.
We're going to be leaving in a
Fish.
minute.
You got to read what's going on.
It don't smell like nothing to me.
You need the light? Bro, why you pulling it for? What y'all on this, bro?
Babe,
What? Bro, why you just sitting like that?
turn the light back on.
Why?
Because
That's what?
I can't see you.
Come here, my God, bro.
Babe,
What?
come here.
What?
Come here.
What?
Come here.
Come
Come here. Bennett, if you don't get over here right now, we're going to have a problem.
Come on, my God, bro.
Come here.
Hold on, quick. Come on.
Do not spray that. I promise you, if you spray it on me, we're going to fight right now. Do
Something
not spray
I'm
that.
not spraying you, but something on spraying
Babe.
bro.
You spraying it on me. Look, it's coming this way.
Get up there and move. Look at move, bro. Turn the fan on.
Babe.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't touch me.
What's wrong? Come here.
Turn the fan on.
Ah, niggas gonna spray me stupid. Babe. Babe, come here. Come here right now. Right now. If you don't come here right now, I'm breaking up with you right now. I don't smell nothing.
I don't smell.
Babe, come here. Come here. Come here.
Bro, what?
I don't smell nothing. See, look.
Move it, move it.
Smell.
No,
it's
you
nothing.
smell it.
It's nothing.
Babe.
See?
Look, hold on. It may not be on you, but you sprayed or did something. Hopefully you didn't put it in the bed, bro. Cause it smell like fish up in here. It smell like sardines, boiled beans, doodle beans. It smell like fork beans. It smell like something, bro.
It's not me.
Shit, yeah.
Smell me.
I'm not smelling you, bro.
Smell me.
I'm not smelling you.
Babe, you so doggone mean. Babe, can we have, you want to have some more than good?
More than good. Hell no, nigga.
Why?
I'll tell you where that smell come from, man.
Come here.
No, man.
Come right here.
What?
Come right here.
What?
Right here.
Okay.
Babe, come here.
I'm good, bro.
Come here. Babe, you mean.
I'm me. How do you feel if you walk with somebody who smell like fish? You know what fish smell like? Raw fish smell like?
I know what raw fish smell like. I don't smell it.
Cause you the one, you did something.
No, I didn't.
You did something.
No, I didn't.
You see, the way you're acting now, I know you did something, bro.
No, I didn't. Cause you keep saying I did something and you're making me mad.
You did something, bro. I ain't stupid, bro.
No, I didn't.
What the hell are you doing?
Come on, you normally like do like this in the mornings. Come on.
No, I'm good.
Come on, babe. No, don't. Come on, get right there so I can jump on you.
Wait, can we get rid of and go?
Come on. Come on. Okay, babe, come here, for real.
What?
Come here, sit right here.
No, what to what?
So, come on, so I can tell you something.
You sprayed something, that's what you about to tell me, right? You about to come
No.
tell me you sprayed something, right? What you about to tell me?
I'm about to tell you I love you.
You sprayed something, right? Too, right? I'm not stupid, bro. Come on, let's spray something else.
No.
Let's spray something else.
I did not. Come. I put a can of sardine juice on
I
it.
knew it. Wait. Where you put it?
And I put the fart spray on me.
Where? I knew I wasn't tripping, bro. I knew something was up, bro.
It's a prank. It's a prank.
Hey, why you do that? The room gonna smell like sardines now.
I don't smell it.
Cause I done this sprayed that thing like 50 times. Open the window.
Nah, man, that shit almost knocked me out. When I was doing this thing, it almost knocked me out.
Where the camera?
I don't know. It's
I know we got a new camera. And it's,
what you say? Where's the camera?
okay, so I know it's where's the other one at?
It's right there, buddy.
I don't see nothing.
Huh?
I don't see nothing. Where's the camera at, baby?
It's right there.
Where?
Right there. You're right there, baby. All right, guys. So I got your boy. Look at him. He's spraying spray.
Hey, you know it's a closed area right here. Why would we do the prank in all places in this room?
All right, guys. So I think I got him pretty good. What y'all think? What y'all think? What y'all think? Huh? Look at him. Really, babe, it's not that much. It is not that extreme.
It's not that much, boy. I still smell it, and it's like it's in the same area. It's not coming out nowhere. So why would we do this prank in here?
Maybe I should go take a shower, huh?
You was on the bed too?
Yeah.
Oh my.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, baby.
You need to go.
Do not spray me with that. It's product in there. It's product.
You
It's product in that water bottle, fool.
Water.
Babe, stop.
Go that way. Go that way.
Okay, do not spray me no more. I got the camera.
Go that way.
Stop it, fool. It's not water resistant.
Turn this off.
Huh?
Turn it off.
Turn what on?
Go in there. Tell them bye.
Huh?
Tell them bye.
It's dark in here. They can't see us.
This prank was trash. We're gonna see you guys in this video. Bye.
Go ahead, like this video. Hit that. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Comment in the comment section below. Hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video. And yeah, guys, we'll catch y'all on the next Vlogmas day 6, right? This is day 5. Yeah, this is day 5. Tomorrow be day 6. What?
Yo, shut the camera. I'm gonna clean this smell up, man.
Okay, guys, we'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.